Okay, so I got a couple of little pots that my daughter brought me with 3 little sections in it. So in this 3 sections, I'm gonna plant cilantro, basil, and rosemary. I'm gonna plant that in these 3 little sections. Gonna be some little herbs, and in here, I'm gonna plant some of these hot pepperoncinis, cayenne long slim red peppers, and jalapeno peppers in this little container right here. See how big they grow. I should get some nice little peppers off of here. We gonna see though. But I know my herbs, my rosemary, basil, and cilantro gonna go pretty good in here. But we're gonna try to grow some peppers in this little container right here. See what we get. I'm gonna poke these holes out the bottom, get some drainage, and I'm gonna cover it. All my pots got like the little black weed barrier inside of it. So I'm gonna put the weed barrier in here so I don't lose no soil. And I'm gonna fill it up with soil, and I'll be back when I start planting. Face my hands. All right, I'm going to plant my cilantro, rosemary, and sweet basil in here in these 3 containers. Okay, so I got my jalapeno peppers, cayenne peppers, and hot pepperoncini peppers. I have basil. Okay, this is my pepperoncini, cayenne pepper, and jalapeno peppers. And this is my cilantro, basil, and rosemary. I'm gonna get those watered in, and then I'm gonna see what else I can plant next.